Hi everyone. So today we're going to read a book called Wild Feelings by David Milgrom. It's about different feelings that you feel. So what are some different feelings that you know of that you have? Being happy, being sad. Yep, exactly. So, wild feelings. Do you ever feel as stubborn as a mule? Dad saying, go to bed. And the kid saying, no. Or as chicken as a chicken? Want to pet the nice doggy? He's scared. Or how about as clumsy as an ox? You probably do. The ox fell over and knocked over the lamp and let the bird out of the cage. Do you sometimes feel as sad as a lost kitten in the rain? Or as small as a mouse? How about totally and completely alone? Or as daffy as a duck? Or positively batty? He's hanging upside down like a bat. Do you sometimes get really, really, really mad? And feel totally out of control? And you don't even know why? Of course you do. Everyone does. It's totally natural. The end. So did you recognize hearing some of the feelings that the little boy felt in this book? What we're going to do now is go through a worksheet about different feelings. So you're all going to get one of these, and I'm going to have you take a crayon for positive feelings and a crayon for negative feelings. So one color for good feelings and one color for bad feelings. And I want you to look at these words on the worksheet. And now that you all have your handouts, we're going to go through it. So we have happy, clumsy, alone, proud, stubborn, elated, cheerful, frustrated, sad, excited, sad, nervous, shy, worried, joyful, relieved, and bored. I want you, with your positive color crayon, to color all of the good, positive feelings, and with your negative crayon to color all the negative feelings. If you don't know what one of the words means, don't pick a color. We're going to go back to it and we'll go through the meanings of these words. So I'd, of course, give everyone a few minutes to go through and walk around as they're doing it, and kind of work through some of the words with them one-on-one. And then afterwards, I would go up to the whiteboard and go through the feelings with them. So I started kind of writing them down. I'd break it down into a positive side and a negative side, and then first go through the words that were in the book and pulling out the book again, just kind of showing them the word and showing them what it actually means. And so we'd have all the words here, and then we'll ultimately just discuss any other feelings that they could add to either side. Words that we didn't have on the worksheet and other feelings in general, just to talk about them. So that would be my lesson.